How to fix Temu cannot create account. Let's get started. So for that, first of all, make sure you're entering a valid email address or phone number. Then double check your typos before signing up. After that, check for your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, then try again later. If you are using Temu app, update it to its latest version, as an outdated app can prevent new account registration. After that, you can clear up the app cache on Android or reinstall the application if you're using iPhone. Also, if you're using a VPN or proxy, turn it off. Temu may block account creation from certain network or location. And finally, if you have already created an account with the same email or phone number, you can try signing in instead of registering again or use a different email address. If the problem continues, you can wait for a few hours or try again, as Temu's server may be experiencing temporary issues. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.